Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you Decharge is a new DePin project. Okay, Decharge, this is a new project, totally fresh. You can do join in here. So I'm just showing you in the crypto rank. They are rising their hidden. Okay, their fund is hiding and not yet released how much fund they raised, but it doesn't matter because they are a company and they're doing something. They have definitely money anyhow. So how do you join? Everything I will show you. Okay, so totally simple and straightforward. You need to just put your email and that's it. So simply come into our Telegram. How do you come into our Telegram? Simply check out description box. You will get our Telegram channel, and then after coming in here you will get the link, ultimate link in here. Just copy it and paste it into your browser. Then this page will look like this. Now what you need to do, you need to bring power everywhere. So when this is over, click the apply, and then it will bring you in the Twitter. Okay, so ask to join, your answer, where did you learn about teachers, just say TG, then agree, and then bam. So now let me come back into the church website. Their email stuff is done. Okay, sorry for that. So even I didn't join their email list. So if you don't, just simply what you need to do for further request, apply on our official Twitter community for distribution inquiries, contact us. Okay, I already showed you this. How do you do it? Okay, just simply my stuff is in pending. Okay, while it will be accepted, I will be 248 people among them. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so if you want to be part of this group, you need to definitely apply in the church. Okay, so straightforward, probably it makes sense to you how does it work.